All right, so right now it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,400 square foot. We bought it for 86,400, and we're going to be converting it into a duplex. So we got brick exterior, really not a lot of work to do. Just some hedges, we mowed it a few times. And roof is good. Go ahead and show the roof line. The roof is pretty good, really nothing to do with it. I've already been up in the attic, no soft spots. Had some previous water damage, looks like it was roofed over. Probably got a hail, it probably had some hail strikes. They got a new roof from the insurance company. Windows are not white vinyl, they're still aluminum, but they do open and close perfect. They're fine. No need to replace them unless we've got anything broken. So we'll replace anything broken, but I'm not going to take good windows out just to put new windows in for fun. That's not my style. But all right, let's keep walking. So windows are good. Air conditioners, we'll walk around the back and we'll show them. The air conditioners, one's newer, one's older. They both work. I'll have them serviced. If anything needs to be fixed, I'll fix those. But yeah, this is the front. So this is the carport. I'm gonna leave it a carport. I'm not gonna enclose it. No need to. Only damage on it, it's all vinyl siding. The only thing that can be looked at is we've got some melt damage. Looks like someone kept the grill too close or something. We've got some cleanup to do. Like we've got an old burn barrel here. I'm gonna leave the meter base alone. It's fine. We've got our older air conditioner here. We'll show the roof line a little bit. Roof line's good, not leaking right now. Hopefully it stays that way. We'll fix whatever we need to then. Water heater's gas. That's our newer air conditioning. Water heater's gas. It installed in 2009. That we may need to put a new one of these in. We'll see how it performs over the time. See if it's leaking. We'll just kind of keep an eye on it, figure out if there's anything we need to do. That's Lily. She's helping walk through. We got a fireplace. Looks like we got some drainage. This place doesn't have gutters, so you're gonna have this anytime there's a valley. We'll check the flashing on that.
We should probably get gutters.
We'll get that bleached. We'll get it cleaned. This is a newer air conditioning, so we shouldn't have to do anything with it. All the windows are in good shape, which is what I'm looking for. All our flashing is in good shape. Our soffit, our fascia, nothing. We are missing some soffitting up here at the gable. So we'll end up getting that closed in, probably paint the side of the house, just paint where that is to blend it because it won't blend right. But all right, we'll go ahead and head inside now. So this is the dining room. They've got carpet in here because they make good choices, I guess. We got awesome 1980s mirror wall. So we'll probably get rid of that. This is going to end up becoming a 4th bedroom. We're going to end up converting this to a bedroom because we're doing it into a duplex. So that side will be a 1-bedroom, 1-bath efficiency. This will be a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. And we'll just keep walking. So we're going to get rid of the carpet. We're going to get rid of this ugly lime green. We'll get rid of our head knocker. We'll end up turning this. We'll probably step back about 5 feet, and this will become this will become the closet. We'll frame that in. This will become the bedroom number 4. This will turn into an office because it's not big enough to be anything else. So we'll end up converting this into kind of somewhere where everybody can, just kick their shoes off, get rid of everything. I'm going to be running this side to duck hunters primarily, so they're going to be able to, just put all their stuff here, get all their mess off.
Be like a mud room?
Yeah, this will be a mud room. Once again, our windows are good. We're fine. I'm going to fix anything. I'll do a video on how to fix metal doors because that's Bondo and some sanding. It's easy. Drywall's in really good shape. Everything here, it's just plum purple. So we'll get rid of that. But we'll end up retrimming out the windows and doors, kind of getting, we'll kind of jazz them up a little bit, make them a little better. This is where me and Lily are living right now. We're living in the living room because we just moved in, so we just got it. So we'll end up redoing most of this. I'll teach y'all how to make chalk paint. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn this white, and I may end up doing some concrete work down here and doing a smooth bottom down here and then a white up there. I'm not quite sure yet, but this is paneling, but it's the old style paneling. It's really hard. It's not flexible like what you get with the new paneling. So I'll end up giving this a skim coat with drywall. We'll be doing a video on how to skim coat with drywall on that. That's really easy. I'll show y'all what I use, how to do it. It's not that bad. It gives a brand new wall though. We're gonna get the fireplace serviced, so we're gonna make sure that it works. During inspection, they turned it on and all, but I don't have the key. So we'll end up redoing it. We'll get rid of this old bronze. We'll end up getting it painted with a good paint. I use caliper paint to paint anything around a fireplace, good high heat paint. All right, we'll go into these back 2 bedrooms. We got closet. This is purple bedroom. This is what we're gonna be doing first. We'll be doing a video on wall prep, outlet changing. It had an old border. This old border that they had, we'll be steaming all that off to give it a good wall and teach y'all how to get rid of this. Steam it off borders and wallpapers. It's not bad at all. Windows are good. They're not tight. They move freely. Nothing to do. We'll end up changing the trim out. Probably leave base trim. We'll end up putting a different trim on this.
There's also 2 closets here.
Yep, there's 2 closets. Flooring, wrecked. This kid,
Disgusting.
whoever lived here, they hated their room.
Candle wax, gum.
But one good thing we have handy here is we have a shower, we have an access to the plumbing. A bathroom is here right next to it. We'll end up expanding this, get kind of a bigger panel. But we got some plumbing work to do in the bathroom. We'll get it done, but they got an access cut here, so that makes things really, really easy. Kind of go ahead and get that leak stopped.
Everything about this room is really nasty.
Oh, it's gross.
It's very gross.
We'll end up, we'll clean these windows. We'll get them paraffin waxed, which will make them look brand new. We'll do a video on that, kind of bring them back to life. We got to get rid of the ceiling fan because they took the remote with them and we can't turn it on or off, so it does really no good. I'm sure I can get a new remote for it, but I don't like the ceiling fan anyways.
There's only 3 blades. It probably won't do much.
Oh, we'll just get them all to make them all match, kind of get some continuity going through. So. All right, we'll go into this other bedroom. These are the 2 rooms we're doing first, so me and Lily can move into them.
That's not our bed frame.
No. This is going into the fire. Once again, 2 closets. This one actually has doors though. The other one didn't, so we got to put new bifolds in it. Got some great cool slime we got to get rid of. Some nice cool gold glitter slime. Once again, the walls are in good shape. They're going to need some work, and it won't be bad. So we'll go ahead and same thing: walls, flooring, paint, texture, cleaning.
Definitely cleaning. This floor is disgusting.
Yeah, not good.
All the floors are pretty gross. We got the floors cleaned up quite a bit in the living room, but
yeah, this is the bathroom we're using right now. We got a pretty steady leak. We'll get it fixed with our rear access back there. I'm glad they got the access. All of this tile's fine. We're gonna have this tile reglazed, and glazing's come a long way. It's a lot better than what it used to be. We'll do new valves, new trim kits on this. We'll get rid of all the caulk, clean the window. New toilet. This is not fun.
And sink.
Yeah, new toilet. Well, new vanity. We're gonna do a whole new vanity on it, so we'll cut all that out. Plumbing on it's good, but we're gonna do a new medicine cabinet, new light fixture, new vanity. Paint, texture, we're gonna reglaze this, a new toilet. That's the plan for the bathroom. We may do flooring, probably gonna do flooring in here. We'll fix these doors, because Trenton Miller used to live here, and he liked to carve his name and everything. So, once again, okay, so here is the start of the paneling. It's really thick though. So it's really good surface to work on. We'll end up skim coating all that, get rid of these corners.
I have a feeling since like this house is just so disgusting and so untaken care of, I feel like this was like a frat house. They like had parties here.
Well, they may have, but that's why we were able to get it for so cheap. You know, we bought a 2,400 square foot house for $86,000, so it's going to be work that comes with it. It's got a little bit of crown. Here's the kitchen. We're going to end up redoing all these kitchen cabinets, and we may open this up a little bit. I'm not sure. We've cleaned everything, but we've got some issues to take care of in here. We're going to end up changing, you know, the whole aesthetic. So we'll get it changed. It's got some funkiness. This isn't glass tile. This is just...
It's cheap vinyl.
This is just a vinyl backsplash, which normally I'd be fine with, except it looks like they ran out right there, and they just kind of left it all
Or
gross.
they were too lazy to cut out other outlet holes.
Outlets we got to change out, because most of these are the only 3-prong outlets in the house. Most of them are like this one over here, where it's just two prongs on everything, no ground. So we got to change out all of the outlets. We got a ton of cabinet space. It goes all the way over here. We've got, you know, a nice little pantry over here. Flooring, we're going to get rid of all the flooring, so it's gone completely. We got a great size laundry room. We got a great size laundry room in here. We're going to have to put a new box. This box back here is rusted, so we'll put a new box in. Once again, change the fan out, do flooring, paint, texture, just cosmetic. We're just doing a cosmetic because the systems themselves are good. That's what we were looking for. So that is going to create the 3-bedroom, 1-bath duplex on this side. This is going to be a common room between the two sides, which we're going to live on that side. So they're going to get a deadbolt here. We're going to put a new door in where they're going to get a deadbolt here. Me and Lily are going to get a deadbolt door here. So this is going to be the only common room of the house.
This door, obviously,
it does
not good.
It does
you
not
have to
close.
like...
And that's how we do it. So we'll end up getting that fixed. So we'll end up getting that fixed. And we got some awesome teal
I like this
walls
blue.
here.
That's a pretty blue.
Oh, Lord. It's rough. Okay, rough. We've got some drywall work to do. We got a bunch of seams exposed. You know, we've got this old paneling we're going to get rid of. We're just going to make everything clean. Got a bathroom here. We haven't used this bathroom at all yet. We're going to do a new double vanity. We'll leave the mirror, but we'll frame the mirror. This is the second bathroom. It's going to be the 3-1. Sorry, the 1-1. This is the 1-1 side. This is the efficiency side that me and Lily are going to live in. We're going to rent, to reiterate, we're going to rent that side out to hunters and to whoever else wants to get into it. Doing a double vanity here. We're going to frame out the mirror, clean it, frame it, get rid of all of the extra stuff. We'll just clean it up and do it really well. Paint, texture, flooring. We'll get up underneath the house. That'll be a video. We'll check the plumbing, check the drainage, make sure everything's good on it. It looked good in inspection, but now that it's had a lot of water ran through it, we'll go ahead and get it. We're gonna get rid of this. We'll just do a plain glass. We'll reglaze all the tile and turn it into just brand new white tile. Clean the, you know, we'll do new hardware. We'll do a new trim kit, new toilet. All of these, they're just low flow toilets. They don't have movement. And it being a rental, I want high flow toilets, so I don't want to respond to every time they flush more than 3 pieces of toilet paper down. I gotta come out. That's gonna be our entry door, and we'll get down to it here in a little bit. This is the master. This is a gigantic master. A gigantic master. So we've got room to do everything. I was going to bring the closet out. I was going to kind of change some stuff around. I'm not going to, as of yet, it's not part of the plan. Plan could grow. But, you know, basically getting rid of a lot of the lights, kind of just, we're going to be transitioning those pendants over there. We're going to be putting can lights, probably do 6 can lights in here, plus a ceiling fan. That's the center of the room and not in this weird placement. It's probably where they had the bed.
None of the ceiling fans match each other.
All of them are different. All of them are just horrible. So we'll get rid of them. Carpet in this room is the worst. It looks like they killed a dozen hookers in here. It's no good. Ed, I gotta get rid of all this.
Candle wax.
Yeah, you don't need to show them my guns and ammo. Yeah, I have a lot of guns and ammo. So that's my hobby. But all right, so we'll come out of here. We go down the hall and we kind of get into 2 rooms that really, these are our tool rooms. Picture's probably not going to be good. This is what we're using for a tool room right now. It is under air conditioner, so I don't know if this is included in square footage or not. I haven't measured it. But we're using this as a tool storage room. And this will be converted to our efficiency kitchen. We'll use this as an efficiency kitchen. It was going to be a reloading room for me, but we're going to turn it into a kitchen. That is just an outside storage room. It's still connected, but it's not really there. It'll just continue to be storage. We'll end up kicking the tools over there. Same thing, paint, texture, skim coating. We'll end up skimming over this with some drywall because that's all brick right now. So we'll put some 1/2-inch drywall over it, kind of bring the whole room together. I'm not sure if I'm going to level this. I don't know if I'm going to bring it out. I haven't decided yet. I really don't like the idea of going downstairs like we do right now to get into the kitchen. So show that. I don't really like that a lot. You know, one drunk night and well, there you go. So it's over. I'll probably end up putting a floor here, and just to kind of keep the flow going. But
what about like in there? If you're gonna put a floor.
Yeah, I'll end up putting stairs down to the next room because right now this is the room that has the stairs. So I'll probably turn that into rooms that have stairs. Just so this feels like an addition. This doesn't feel like part of the house. This feels like an extra because right now, it's so different. It doesn't feel like it's part of the house. But let's do a 1-bedroom, 1-bath efficiency here. I need a kitchen, and it already has a bathroom, and it's got a huge room. So we'll end up getting that done, and that's kind of the walkthrough. We brought tools in. We got some of our tools staged here. This is about 1/10 of the tools, but I figured this is what we're going to use for right now. So I've got some stuff in here, and I've just got some little odds and ends, but I'm probably missing half the things that I need, but we'll bring them back on the next trip. I got duplicates and triplicates of almost everything, so anything I had a duplicate of, I brought, and we'll show you to use our steamers, our hoppers, our table saws, and we'll just kind of, whatever we decide to do, we can get in, we'll record, make a video out of it. So, all right, thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and follow the progress.